Hi, here's a video about installing a wall mount for a 43-inch TV. In this example, we're installing an ONN wall mount. You need the wall mount kit as shown. You need screwdrivers, you need a leveler. If they are not attached to the wall mount, you need a stud finder, measuring tape, pencil, and the first thing you have to do is to remove the two screws at the back of the wall mount kit, so that you can attach the plate to the back of the TV. That's the first thing. So you use a type of screw to kind of remove those screws. They are not the regular screws. And then you measure with the tape from the ceiling to the position where you want to mount your wall mount along the stud finder. I use the stud finder to find the stud, and then into the marked locations, the markings along the stud finder. But it's not sturdy enough, so I have to add the anchors to the holes to make the wall mount steady. Those are the anchors that goes in, and then add the plate that I removed to the back of the TV with some special screws. And when I added those, when I added the plate, and then I mounted the TV to the anchor after I placed the mounting bracket back of the wall. So here's the mounting bracket with the screws, and then there's a leveler attached to the mounting bracket to make sure everything is straight, either vertical or horizontal. You want to align your mounting bracket to be in the correct position. So that's the TV mount, the back, and that's it. Thank you very much, and